Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am sweating here. Literally, it is 32 degrees in the UK. Today, we're going to look into a very popular person on TikTok. And that person is Candy's Cooking. Now, in the last video, I had a lot of views. Thanks for that. Like I said in the last video, I wouldn't have done it without you guys, but so thank you. All I've got to say is there's many videos of YouTubers that do this, like Dice Games and other people. So let's get into the Candy's Cooking.
Guys, let me show you how we make a United Kingdom fryer. So I only got a little bit of
Okay, what the fuck? I literally just went onto the video and Candy, why? Why? How are you even putting that much oil in the pan? For starters, what? What? You trying to give yourself a heart attack or something?
Don't eat that much. Like, it's cute, isn't it? Look, it's tiny. Just leave it there.
No, it's not cute. What have I clicked on here? What have I clicked on? She's bit. What are these? What is the sausages in the pan? And she's cooking what? Beef steak in like a pool of bloody oil. She's trying to give herself a heart attack or something.
What's all you say? Oh, can't you see?
The only bloody thing that would be saving me is not eating that crap in that bloody pan. Bitch trying to give herself a heart attack here.
Don't seem like love now. 'Cause every time I feel it in me. 5 more minutes.
5 more minutes? What is that? 5 more minutes for you to live? With that much oil in a pan? Man. Oh my god. Why would you do that to yourself, Candy? Why? Why? Why?
Hiya guys, let me show you how we make a United Kingdom fryer.
I don't know, guys. Like, I swear to God, she does it for views. It's got to be, because there's no way on earth, right, that you would cook that much oil in a pan. And why the sausages with the beef? Any explanation there, Candy? Any explanation there? That is just wrong completely. You're asking for a heart attack there, mate.
Hi guys, today we are
Next
making
video.
Chinese Coca-Cola noodles.
What? A Coca-Cola chicken noodle? Oh my god, this just gets better, doesn't it? This just gets better. So she's what? Cooking Coca-Cola chicken fried noodles. I don't know what I don't know what you're doing, Candy, but you're trying to give yourself a heart attack or something. But let's get into the video.
Get your chicken.
No, just no, Candy. You don't add raw chicken with noodles in the pan. Bitch trying to give herself a fucking salmonella, fucking poisoning herself. Oh my god, Freddos. Why? Why chocolate? Why put chocolate in a meal? Chocolate does not go in a stir fry or anything. Candy, come on.
All melt down nicely.
No, just... I can't believe Candy's doing this to herself. Why would you put chocolate in any food that doesn't... Candy, please, why? Literally, why? I would love to cook for you, Candy. Just reach out and just, please, just do yourself a favour and reach out. I'd love for you to cook for you. No joke, haven't I? Free of charge. She isn't stirring it, she's just letting it cook. You need to stir it, Candy. And then she just flick the food after. I don't even know what to say right now. Yeah. Yeah, just flick the bloody scarf around you. That's gonna make 10 times better of your food, isn't it? 10 times much better by flicking the scarf around your neck. Brilliant. Yep. Also dancing as well. That's going to clearly help. Just dancing around, helping you get your food cooked. Clearly gonna. Yep. No, I'm sorry, but you wouldn't cook this during Christmas. Like, there's other stuff to cook in Christmas. Like, buffet food, for one. Takeaways, 2. Obviously, the Christmassy stuff that you get from, like, wherever you guys shop, Tesco's, Morrison's, out there. But, come on. This, out of everything you can eat on Christmas or during Christmas Day. Man, Candy, come on.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Hi guys, today we are making a Chinese Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, kinda. That's all that matters, isn't it? But please, guys, whatever you do not make anything like that. I swear you're a walking biohazard. I can't agree more, mate. I cannot agree. Steve, I cannot agree in the comments.
But Jess, I've been sent here from Lou. She said you've been struggling lately with...
Love life advice. Okay then.
Love life and to give
Let's
you
see
some
it, then.
advice. So I'm here to give you some advice. The thing is, just learn like to cook a decent meal and then it will win their heart.
A decent meal. You're gonna cook fajitas, one of my favourite meals that my partner cooks. Do not ruin this cooking. Do not ruin this. Do not ruin it, I'm telling you now. There's like good food out there that people waste, and I'm telling you, one of these is not good to waste food.
This is how I won my missus over. Let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. She's got a body that I want. Just like they say in the song. I'm telling you what, let's Marvin Gaye and get it on. We got this king size to ourselves.
I legit thought she was burnt the whole bloody house down then for a minute when the black smoke came up out the blue. Like, what the fuck? Holy shit. I legit thought she was burning the house down or something.
Make a
No, no, Candy, don't put laps on a dirty work surface on anywhere in the kitchen. And forbidden, do not put it on the fucking oven. Excuse my language, but come on. That is common sense. With all the dirty bacteria and all that stuff on the oven, and you put it on the oven.
So they won't be happy
Nah,
with that,
miss,
so you
nah.
won't have to tolerate that. I don't even know if it missing. And then
Well, that's your well, so there's a bit missing. Well, that's funny because when me and my partner goes to our local supermarket, we check the date. We also check of how many pieces in the item that we're cooking. Now, I don't know about you, Candy, but I've never came around with missing pieces in my wraps or any of my food that my partner cooks for me. I don't understand. Now my partner would watch this and she'd be like, this is painful to watch because the way she does it is magnificent, but this is just another level of cooking fajitas. Why?
oh, kidding.
Well, yeah, it's obviously gonna. Wow.
There it is, the beautiful fajitas. Oh.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Nah, my partner would not approve of this. Not at all. Literally, oh my god. She's just literally ruining fajitas. That what honestly, my partner would be so disappointed right now in how one of her favourite meals are getting destroyed. But come on, Candy, please. Just do a nice meal for once.
Making him happy at the end of the night.
That much mayonnaise on a wrap, my god, what are you trying to do? Make yourself sick or something, Candy? Holy crap.
Yes, hello, George Benton. This is from Sammy. I'm here to make you your wedding cake. So
Nah. Candy, you're not making my wedding cake. You know, no one's making my wedding cake. The only person that's making my wedding cake when I'm married is a customised shop, a professional shop that can do cupcakes and a professional cake. I ain't having you destroy my cake. There's no way out on this earth. You're just, nah. Do it for them, but you ain't doing it mine. No way. But let's get into the video. Let's see how she does this.
I might crash your wedding.
Well, we really won't be crashing my wedding, that's for sure. But yeah. You're more than welcome to come, Candy, but don't be feeding people food that's gonna be poisoning. Please don't. I don't want an ambulance showing up on outside of the service with people entering the ambulance feeling very, very poorly with your food hygiene.
It's the best thing that you'll ever do. So mix your eggs.
That's one thing, honestly, like, she's doing good at the moment, I'm gonna admit her. Yeah, you do mix your eggs. That, so far you're doing good. Now let's see, I might be putting this off, but let's see what she does.
5, 3, 2.
Wait, what? 5, 3, 2. Where's the 4?
1.
Candy, come on. And then she goes, eats the sugar from the bowl. Great. Good food hygiene. Good food hygiene. And this is how you make people sick.
Add your water.
Now obviously, I don't know if you add water to a cake, but I think you do. Now, I'm not sure, I don't do cakes, but I'm sure to God you don't put that in that bowl. Now, I don't know if I'm wrong, guys, in saying this, but I don't bake cakes, I don't bake, do sometimes cook, but honestly, I don't think she's doing that right. I swear you have to have like a baking tray to bake cakes. Oh my God, no. No, why? Oh, looks like my battery's going. That'll be a part 2, I'm afraid. Why? Why would you do that? Why would you do this? Why? 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 Just why? Why would you do this? What the hell is that? What is that in that bowl? Or tray, or what you want to call it? That looks like slop. I ain't feeding that to any of my guests. Yeah. And then you just sprinkle all of it all up. Nah, does not work that way.
Hello, George Bellington. This is from.
Why, kinda? Looks like there's gonna be a part 2, guys, I'm afraid. Yeah, anyways, let's wrap it up. Now, Candy cooking. Candy, I've not known you for a while, but please try to cook as much as you can, but in a better way. There's better things out there to cook. What I've got to say is give you a benefit of the doubt a little bit. If you like this video, guys, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. We're going to do a part 2.